Well, I think we've come to the end. So I'll give you a once over view of what I've done. Purchased this cab for around $20. Well, it was $20. I've put with plastic and that flex tape, I probably have about $125. Plastic is very expensive right now because of the virus, I believe. But anyway, that's not too bad. It's got a fiberglass top, as you can see. I added this piece here to the front. Just an old tarp that I had. I cut a piece out. And what I did is I put wire ties up in here to hold it up. And then on the hood, I put a piece of Velcro. And that'll keep it down. And yes, you've still got gaps in here where you're going to get air through on each side. And I might do something in the winter. We'll see how much air gets in. But the plexiglass turned out very well, and so did the tape. And I did a test with this tape to see. It started coming loose in a few spots, not badly, but just a little bit. And so over here, what I did is, you can see I've got it laid out, is I took a heat gun to it and I heated it up pretty hot and then just kind of worked it in, and that now is really sealed well. So I think with the little heat on it, the adhesive even adheres better. So I did that all around all the windows and pieces of tape that are on the unit itself. But yeah, it's not bad. I did not get it quite mounted perfectly. There's a bar right here. You can see the back of the door is off, probably close to an inch off of that, but it still latches, and I don't use this door, and because you'll have to climb over the top of that handle, and so the other door will be the one that I access all the time. But I did not mount this piece properly, and of course this is the first piece I put on. I think the whole unit is tweaked. The kid that I bought it off of, it was thrown around, and he just wanted to get rid of it. So it was laying on the ground when I got there. So I think there was some issues with it, but yes, this piece here should have gone forward a little bit, and so should have this piece right here move forward, and that would have pulled that whole corner of the door forward to make it line up better with this member. But other than that, it's fine. So, and you can't hardly see that tape. I mean, that blends in. You couldn't ask for a better matching color. And so I've got everything taped up that I'm going to tape up. I might get a few more spots, but I'm just tired of working on it right now. I just want to move on. I've got to paint my trailer. But there it is. And now I didn't tape up the insides of these windows. You can see those gaps, and I may do that in the future. We'll see how it holds on the outside. I did do it on the back, and you can see. Now I have not taken a heat gun to that, and you can kind of see where it's puckered around here a little bit. These are where the rivets are at, and but it's not really coming off of the plastic. Yeah, a little bit, but not badly. I mean, that's, and you can see along here, but we're going to let it go. We're going to see how it works. But yeah, it's a pretty nice little unit, and so we'll see. Boy, when I was cutting this stuff, I took a a brush that I have to brush off some of the dust from the from the cutting of the plastic, and it just scratched the daylights out of that front of that piece. That's pretty pitiful. Just something that soft would scratch it. But anyway, you can see up through here, we're covered up pretty good now. We have that piece that comes down through there, so like I said, right there's a hole. So yeah, I'll probably be doing some more, but you can see all the canvas is really shoddy. Seeing all that light come through there. So I still got plenty of tape left, but we'll see. And I tweaked the door to make it shut decent, so we got a good close there. But anyway, that's it. That's my project. We're done, as far as I'm concerned. Move on to something else now. So thanks for watching, subscribing, and we'll catch you in the next one.